using third-party plugins. As the founder of MobileFirst-Personal websites, I've seen the rise of do-it-yourself tools and apps that can do just about anything a webmaster could want. But my passion has always been the ability to keep journals on the go, accessible from any device. Imagine being able to document the evolution of an aquarium, from the first few months of maturation to the water characteristics and fish aging over time. That's been a dream of mine for years. I've even written books on the aquarium care that served as digital journals, but the conditions in an aquarium aren't ideal for physical notebooks. And what about those moments when inspiration strikes at the pet store and you want to jot down a note about a new species you stumbled upon? Having a journal at the ready on your phone is so much more convenient than lugging around a physical book. Just like the blogs we discussed last issue, I want my journal entries available at my fingertips, no matter where I am. Plus, let's be honest, it's a lot harder to spill water on your phone than on a good old-fashioned paper journal. The challenge has been finding the right tools to make this happen. The current widget, form-free, is great for setting up custom input fields, but its reporting capabilities leave much to be desired. Sure, I can export the data as a CSV file, but that's not an ideal long-term situation, especially when I need to track numerical information or analyze trends over time. That's why I've turned to a third-party form server to supercharge my journaling experience. While it doesn't have the perfect mobile-friendly reporting I crave, I can at least export the data as an Excel file for further analysis. And the best part? Integrating these third-party tools is a breeze. Just a quick snippet of code and I'm off to the races. One area that's been particularly exciting is the integration of AI-powered bots. By deploying those through the CodeScript widget, I can add all sorts of new functionality to my site without ever having to worry about the underlying code. It's a game changer for someone like me who wants to focus on the journaling experience, not the technical back end. So, whether you're looking to document the life cycle of your aquarium, jot down an inspiration on the go, or tap into the power of AI, I'm confident that the tools and techniques I've discovered can help take your website to the next level. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in the weeks to come. Sincerely, Steve Pond, founder, Mobile First Personal Websites.